My bike is faster. So how you feel about that? The good thing is to get there, we're taking our e-bikes, so it looks like we can bike our way there. I'm on the Himiway Cruiser. She's on her favorite e-bike, which is the KBO Breeze. She really likes the KBO Breeze. She won't tell us where we're going. Oh, for vlog purposes, I need to know where we're going. But yeah, on the e-bikes today, enjoying the ride so far. Man, I love fall weather. I need to know where we're going. No. Why not? You ain't gonna tell me where we going. Why? Appreciate it. So it looks like we about to do something with boats. We going kayaking? Wow. Get your what? Thank you.
You excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. I haven't kayaked in like 10 years, so if I look kind of iffy, don't judge me, everybody.
We ain't gonna judge you.
I haven't done it in a while.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. If we don't die.
we just gotta make sure we make a left at that fork, okay?
If we don't make a left at the fork, this might be my last video. If y'all find this.
Look, if y'all come get us. If y'all find us, come get us.
See how sturdy this kayak is. We be alright.
Stop.
Huh?
Stop.
Okay.
We'll see.
What?
Hey turtle. Hey turtle. Hey turtle. Cold-blooded friend.
What's going on, man?
I want a turtle, mate.
What?
Can
You
we
randomly want a turtle?
get a turtle?
After you done seen one?
Yeah.
You know you gotta take care of it, right?
Yeah. Oh, look at the yellow streaks on his face. Oh, 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 oh!
That's my favorite, bro. Good time. So what would you give our kayaking on a scale from 1 to 10? Yeah. A 10?
That was a great experience.
I agree.
And we got to do it on e-bikes.
Got to do it right. We got to get there on e-bikes.
Ride the e-bikes to the kayaking place.
Yeah.
And then ride them back. And the kayaking was nice.
It was, wasn't it?
Perfect weather. It wasn't too hot.
Yeah.
It hasn't gotten cold yet. So
Right. So, speaking of e-bikes, I thankfully have several of them at the house. But you really like the KBO, the KBO Breeze better than all of them. Why? What else? What else?
And because it's light.
Lightweight.
And if I have to hop it up on a curb, I can actually do it, pick it up by myself without your help.
What about the ride itself?
It's smooth. I feel like it handles all the bumps perfectly. It's a smooth ride. It doesn't jerk me when I go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my bike. The seat is comfortable. Everything is good.
Okay.
This
Keyboard is your
favorite.
bike.
It's my favorite.
Your bike might be smoother, but my bike is faster. How you feel about that? Had such a great time kayaking today. It was a surprise, pleasant surprise, and I really appreciate us riding the e-bikes to get there. So it's fall time in the US. I want to encourage everybody here to please get out the house if you can. Enjoy the weather. I know usually when I'm going through things, it hurts. It helps me to get out the house, get some sunshine, get some vitamin D. So no matter what you're going through, I want to encourage you to get outside the house. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.